This is a Philishave 384 travel electric shaver. It's one I use quite a bit because it's got mains and battery power on it. What I'm going to show you today is how to dismantle it for cleaning. So obviously day to day you flick the front cover off by pressing this button here, and that just releases the lens. Getting the actual blades out though to do a proper deep clean, it's a little bit more difficult. So the first thing you have to do is squeeze the two sides there. That brings the two clips. There's a clip there and there. When you squeeze it, it brings those clips in, and that releases the centre portion. From there you can actually then just slide the heads out. Once you get the heads out, we can then start looking at how to clean those up. Okay, once we've got the heads out, the two halves just come apart like that, and then it's a question of find a small brush that comes with it. That's ideal for just getting in between the actual cutting heads. Give them a good flick round to get rid of any hairs or dust or whatever that's accumulated inside it. Because you see already that's starting to look a lot better. But also for the actual head unit, get in there as well and just give that a good clean up as well. And of course finally give it a good rinse under plenty of water. I'll do the same for the head. And they're now looking a lot better than they did, and I'll just reassemble those back in again. Right, now to reassemble, once you've put the heads back together again, just pushing that one into there, turn it back the right way up and simply slide the unit back in. It clicks in place. It seems like there's a couple of notches on the head, so there's one there and one on the other side, and that seems to like to click into the edge. There's a hole just there and there, so I'll put those in, and then we can just drop that back into the head unit and put it back onto the actual shaver unit. I've cleaned the shaver unit out again, just brushed it out. Don't run this one underwater because unlike the modern units, it's not waterproof. So click it back in and we're all done. I trust you found this a useful video on how to dismantle and clean the Philishave travel shaver. If you can subscribe to the channel, that would be excellent, and thank you for watching.